Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our gorgeous 2012 Victory Hammer S. This is the high performance V-twin cruiser, 106 cubic inch engine, fuel injected, really awesome machine with a two-tone white and red paint scheme. Big bore V-twin. It's got a big 240 rear tire. We're putting a brand new tire on this baby. Belt drive, no chain to mess with. Make your custom style cruiser dreams come true. This awesome Victory. 1700 cc's, price to sell just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.
Ooh, seat is hot.
Big bore power, awesome sound, 6-speed transmission, steel braided lines, sport bike front end. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.